It's your fucking birthday.
It's my birthday. Hey guys, so today is my birthday. It's June 25th, 2020. And today is my birthday. Today is a quarantine birthday. Yeah, I am probably not really gonna do much today. It's super sunny. Jesus. Like, the lighting is bomb, but it's like kind of fucking with me. Okay, but yeah, so today is my birthday and your girl is 23. I can't believe it. Like, I can't believe I'm 23. I'm kind of sad. Like, I don't want to age. Like, I want to be young forever. Like, literally young forever. But yeah, so I'm gonna get ready. I don't have that much film, so I'm gonna have to figure something out because I really don't have that much film. I gotta buy another SD card today, so I might go to the mall and get an SD card. I might look crazy right now, but I finally got my eyebrows done. I'm so happy. It's been like 4 months since quarantine started. I basically haven't had my eyebrows done, so I'm so happy. But yeah, so I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna try and clear some space so I could show you guys me getting ready. But yeah, so today's gonna be a little quarantine vlog, a birthday quarantine vlog. And yeah, so I'll see you guys once I start doing my hair. Okay guys, so I'm back in bed. Come on, you can't be laughing. So we were gonna go out for breakfast, but I just realized if I get breakfast, I'm gonna be hungry like right after. So I'm just gonna wait till a little later and come back and get ready because I'm just gonna lay here and relax. There's really nothing to do, like I said, because everything is closed and you can't travel, and yeah, there's nothing really to do. So I'm gonna go out to eat later. My skin is looking so good, minus this pimple. But yeah, so I'll come back once I start getting ready to go to the Cheesecake Factory. I think we're gonna get lunch there, most likely. I don't know, but it's a nice day today. It's not like raining, which I thought was gonna happen because it usually rains on my birthday. I think it rained on like my 3rd birthday. But yeah, so I'll see you guys when I start getting ready.
It's your fucking birthday. Petty bullshit shouldn't excite you on your birthday.
Okay guys, so I'm back. I'm not trying to get copyrighted, so I had to turn that bitch off. But yeah, I just got back from my friend's house. My phone died when I got inside, so yeah. But I don't know. I'm just like, I'm so annoyed because there's nothing for me to do. Like, oh my god, there's nothing for me to do. Like, I can't even go nowhere. Like, everything is just like reckless. I gotta fucking put that screen down to my AC. So I'm gonna go inside. I don't know if I should take a nap real quick so I'm not tired for the rest of the day or what. But I know if I don't, like, at least lay down and, like, you know, get myself recuperated, I'm gonna be fucking tired. So with that being said, I'm gonna go inside and take a nap probably for like 20 minutes. I didn't even end up going to get food with my friend because she's not answering the phone. Wow. Yeah, so I am going. Okay, I'm dazing in my thoughts again. It's like literally all my like going out friends, they just took it upon themselves to have kids, and thank you. Kids are a blessing. Like, kids are really a blessing, but like I can't do nothing. Like, I don't want to do shit by myself. Like, I don't know. There's just nothing for me to do right now. So I'll check back in with you guys when I figure out what I'm doing with my life today. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna do my makeup right now. I just got out the shower. I'm speeding it up because I have plans to go out to dinner, well, to go to hibachi, so I have to rush. So I'm just gonna speed this up. I don't know why I always put so much fucking primer on, and I'm so oily, so I'm gonna have to like really matte my face today. So anyways guys, I'm not gonna do like a whole walkthrough of my makeup today. I'm just gonna do it. I'll speed most of it up for you, but I should be done. But I will see you guys once I'm done.
Mama told me, mama, not to sell. Mama told you, 75, same color t-shirt. What? 1995, 2005. Seen it with my eyes. Dope still alive. Real mob ties. Real frog eyes. Real old pie. All time high. Do it for the culture. They gon' fight like vultures. Way back when I was trapping, not Toyota. I'ma hit the gas. 12 can't pull me over. Space coupe, Quavo, Yoda, pouring, drinking soda. I get high on my own, sir. Heard you gon' clone, sir. Stop all that flexing, young nigga don't wanna go there. Never been a gopher, but I always been a soldier. Young niggas in the cut, posted like a vulture. Diving off the stage in the crowd, it's a mosh pit. Yeah, shawty bad, but she broke it, she don't own shit. Mama asked me, son, when the trapping gon' quit. I been riding around for the city in my new bitch.
Young nigga poppin' with a pocket full of cottage. Yeah. Whoa, chemo, sabe, chopper, aimin' at your noggin. Yeah. Had to call the addict, in the top, I had to chop it. Niggas pocket watchin', so I gotta keep the rocket.
Mama told me not to sell word. 17.5, same color t-shirt. Mama told me not to sell word. 17.5, same color t-shirt. Mama told you. Mama told you. Mama told me, mama, not to sell. Mama told you. 17.5, same color t-shirt. 1995, 2005. Seen it with my eyes. Dope still alive. Real mob ties. Real frog eyes. Real old pie. All time high. Do it for the culture. They gon' fight like vultures. Way back when I was trapping, not Toyota. I'ma hit the gas. 12 can't pull me over. Space coupe, Quavo, Yoda, pouring, drinking soda. I get high on my own, sir. Heard you gon' clone, sir. Stop all that flexing, young nigga don't wanna go there. Never been a gopher, but I always been a soldier. Young niggas in the cut, posted like a vulture. Diving off the stage in the crowd, it's a mosh pit. Yeah, shawty bad, but she broke it, she don't own shit. Mama asked me, son, when the trapping gon' quit. I been riding around for the city in my new bitch.
Young nigga poppin' with a pocket full of cottage. Yeah. Whoa, chemo, sabe, chopper, aimin' at your noggin. Yeah. Had to call the addict, in the top, I had to chop it. Niggas pocket watchin', so I gotta keep the rocket.
Mama told me not to sell word. 17.5, same color t-shirt. Mama told me not to sell word. 17.5, same color t-shirt. Mama told you. Mama told you. Mama told me, mama, not to sell. Mama told you. 17.5, same color t-shirt. 1995, 2005. Seen it with my eyes. Dope still alive. Real mob ties. Real frog eyes. Real old pie. All time high. Do it for the culture. They gon' fight like vultures. Way back when I was trapping, not Toyota. I'ma hit the gas. 12 can't pull me over. coupe, Quavo, Yoda, pouring, drinking soda.
I get high on my own, sir. Heard you gon' clone, sir. Stop all that blessing, young nigga don't wanna go there. Never been a gopher, but I always been a soldier. Young niggas in the cut, posted like a vulture. Diving off the stage in the crowd, it's a mosh pit. Yeah, shawty bad, but she broke it, she don't own shit. Mama asked me, son, when the trapping gon' quit. I been riding round for the city in my new bitch.
Young nigga poppin' with a pocket full of cottage. Yeah. Whoa, chemo, sabe, chopper, aiming at your noggin. Yeah. Had to cop the Audi, in the top, I had to chop it. Niggas pocket watching, so I gotta keep the rocket.
Mama told me not to sell word. 17.5, same color t-shirt. Mama told me not to sell word. 17.5, same color t-shirt. Mama told you. Mama told you. Mama told me, mama, not to sell. Mama told you. 17.5, same color t-shirt. 1995, 2005. Seen it with my eyes. Dope still alive. Real mob ties. Real frog eyes. Real whole pie. All time high. Do it for the culture. They gon' fight like vultures. Way back when I was trapping, not Toyotas. I'ma hit the gas. 12 can't pull me over. Space coupe, Quavo, Yoda, pouring, drinking soda.
I get high on my own, sir. Heard you gon' clone, sir. Stop all that blessing, young nigga don't wanna go there. Never been a gopher, but I always been a soldier. Young niggas in the cut, posted like a vulture. Diving off the stage in the crowd, it's a mosh pit. Yeah, shawty bad, but she broke it, she don't own shit. Mama asked me, son, when the trapping gon' quit. I been riding round for the city in my new bitch.
Young nigga poppin' with a pocket full of cottage. Yeah. Whoa, chemo, sabe, chopper, aiming at your noggin. Yeah. Had to cop the Audi, in the top, I had to chop it. Niggas pocket watching, so I gotta keep the rocket.
Mama told me not to sell word. 17.5, same color t-shirt. Mama told me not to sell word. 17.5, same color t-shirt. Mama told you. Mama told you. Mama told me, mama, not to sell. Mama told you. 17.5, same color t-shirt. 1995, 2005. Seen it with my eyes. Dope still alive. Real mob ties. Real frog eyes. Real whole pie. All time high. Do it for the culture. They gon' fight like vultures. Way back when I was trapping, not Toyotas. I'ma hit the gas. 12 can't pull me over. Space coupe, Quavo, Yoda, pouring, drinking soda.
I get high on my own, sir. Heard you gon' clone, sir. Stop all that blessing, young nigga don't wanna go there. Never been a gopher, but I always been a soldier. Young niggas in the cut, posted like a vulture. Diving off the stage in the crowd, it's a mosh pit. Yeah, shawty bad, but she broke it, she don't own shit. Mama asked me, son, when the trapping gon' quit. I been riding round for the city in my new bitch.
Young nigga poppin' with a pocket full of cottage. Yeah. Whoa, chemo, sabe, chopper, aiming at your noggin. Yeah. Had to cop the Audi, in the top, I had to chop it. Niggas pocket watching, so I gotta keep the rocket.
Mama told me not to sell word. 17.5, same color t-shirt. Mama told me not to sell word. 17.5, same color t-shirt. Mama told you. Mama told you. not to sell. Mama told you. 75, same color t-shirt. 1995, 2005. Seen it with my eyes. Dope still alive. Real mob ties. Real frog eyes. Real whole pie. All time high. Do it for the culture. They gon' bite like vultures. Way back when I was trapping, not Toyotas. I'ma hit the gas. 12 can't pull me over. Space, coupe, Quavo, Yoda, pouring, drinking soda.
I get high on my own, sir. Heard you gon' clone, sir. Stop all that flexing, young nigga don't wanna go there. Never been a gopher, but I always been a soldier. Young niggas in the cut, posted like a vulture. Diving off the stage in the crowd, it's a mosh pit. Yeah, shawty bad, but she broke it, she don't own shit. Mama asked me, son, when the trapping gon' quit. I been riding around for the city in my new bitch.
Young nigga poppin' with a pocket full of cottage. Yeah. Whoa, chemo, sabe, chopper, aiming at your noggin. Yeah. Had to cop the Audi, in the top, I had to chop it. Niggas pocket watching, so I gotta keep the rocket.
Mama told me not to sell word. 17.5, same color t-shirt. Mama told me not to sell word. 17.5, same color t-shirt. Mama told you.
Okay guys, so I'm back. My mom just brought me a cake. Like, she's so sweet. Like, she really got me a cake. So I don't know how I feel about my makeup. Like, I just feel like I have too much on. I don't know. Like, I kind of am ready to wipe it all off. But yeah, she got me a cake, guys. This is so sweet. I'm gonna put my Invisalign in. I just feel like I have too much makeup on. Like, I don't know what it is. I feel like my nose looks way too shiny. I look like I have a button nose. And yeah. But I just want to show you guys this cake. It's so cute. Let me see if I can. And it has a little balloon on it. Isn't that so cute? So, your girl is torn right now because I have 2 dates, right? So I have 2 dates, 2 different guys. So, and I'm saying that, I'm freely saying that because I own my feminism. Like, I don't care about going on multiple dates with different guys because at the end of the day, I'm single and I can do what I want. So, yeah, I'm supposed to be going out to eat with this guy, and I don't know. I'm just like, I don't know which one to go on. I just don't know which date to go on. Like, I really don't. It's 2 different guys and I like them both. I mean, they're both nice.
Okay.
I don't know. That's the problem. And I have a pimple right here, which is blowing minds. Like, I feel like this pimple just lives here at this point because this pimple has been here forever. Literally forever. And I still have a dent on my forehead because I had my scarf tied, and this is ridiculous. Like, I'm gonna powder my nose. I'll be right back. I'm gonna powder my nose and then we'll come back. Going on date number 1 right now. I will be back. I'll be back. Okay. So I have cake on my motherfucking face. Okay guys, so I'm back. So I'm back from my birthday date number 1. I was thinking about going on date number 2, but I don't know. I kind of just want to stay home. Like, I don't know. I'm like torn, guys. And then my friend said she wants to throw a party for me, so I don't know. Fuck. And I need to insert a picture of the food I got tonight because that shit was beautiful. Like, they did that. Presentation, everything was just chef's kiss. Like, it was just so good. It was so bomb. And they gave me a gift card because they had messed up my order the first time. I had asked for my steak well done, and I don't eat medium well. I don't eat none of that bloody shit. So yeah, they gave me a gift card for $25, and I really have to say, the guy that I went out with tonight, he was just so sweet. Like, literally like a sweetheart. Like, this was really a good ass birthday, and he definitely did that. So shout out to you, boo. But yeah, so I'm like home now, and I don't really know like what I want to do. I'm like so ready to just go to bed. Half of me wants to go to bed, but I already told my friend I would come. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know. And I'm kind of stuck. And I don't know what to do. I don't know. I'm ready for bed. Like, I'm just such an old lady. Like, now I just don't even like doing shit. Like, I'm good. Like, once I do one activity a day, I'm good. Like, I'm good. I don't need nothing else. I don't know. And I was gonna go swimming, but I'm just not in the mood. I'm not in the mood to do nothing. I'm just, you know, I don't know. Had a really good day, like, shockingly. Like, I felt like the beginning of the day, I didn't feel like my day was gonna go anywhere, but as the day went on, like, it was a good day. Like, I had a good birthday overall, and I'm super happy about hold on, this nigga asking for my cash up. Say no more. Thank you. Like, don't ask for my cash up if you're not gonna send me no motherfucking money, nigga. Fuck out of here. Now he better fucking come correct. Like, don't play yourself. Don't fucking play yourself. But yeah, overall I had a really good birthday. Now, like, fuck off. But anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna close out. Well, I wanted to bring you guys with me to this little thing my friend's throwing for me later, so I'll probably bring you guys with me. But if not, I want to just close out this vlog now, because I don't know where this night is going to lead to, so I don't want to just, you know, be going in circles. But yeah, I'm super happy about today. I feel really blessed to have, you know, I feel like I don't have a lot of people, but the people that I do have around me, they are really great people, and I value that like so much, because anybody who knows me knows I'm introvert, and I'm not a people person. Like, I'm working on it, but ultimately I'm really not a people person, and I'm trying to break out of that. So I'm really grateful for the people I have around me. I just want to say that. So shout out to y'all. I love you guys so much, and I appreciate every single one of you, and thank you so much for making this birthday so special to me. I feel like every year is a special birthday, but this year I really felt the love this year, because being that nothing's open, like, you have to make do with what you have, and what I do have is a really great support system, so I'm super grateful for that. But yeah, I think that's it. Hopefully I'll see you guys later. We'll see, but if not, I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy birthday to me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And your girl is 23 years old. 23 years young, baby. 23 years young, not old, young. So I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much. Bye. Car. We're doing the car. Hey guys, so we're back. Right. Let me.
Ooh.
I'm taking.
Whoa.
We smoked. Are we done smoking?
No. She's got to roll up.
Oh,
her cousin rolled up.
So let's smoke again.
That's what we're waiting for. We were just going to do a whole safe.
A safe. Okay, got it. Damn, I should have waited to smoke that. I'm going with my little tiny ass blunt, bitch.
It's fine.
No, bitch. Fuck out of here. She's going to have me go to the safe with this little ass shit. They're going to clown me. No. They're going to clown me.
It's not small.
Bitch. You played.
It's not.
You played. Oh my. Wait. Nah.
You was drinking some?
No, a little bit.
You're trying to lie. No.
A little bit. Damn.
But we about to be lit tonight. It's my bitch birthday.
And literally every year we're doing something. Like, I feel like it's been like 3 years we do something.
I know.
And now we're not doing shit. We're not doing shit.
We're gonna try to have a good time though.
Yeah. I want to go like on vacation. We need to go on vacation.
We're going to Miami in August.
When? No, wait. So what happened with Atlanta?
I'm still going to Atlanta. I'm going next week.
I want to go. You were supposed to ask.
Yeah, I forgot.
You need
I'll
to
ask her in the morning. I promise. You just gotta remind me.
I want to be out of here.
That's fine. I was debating on coming back before the 4th and then staying for the 4th. I think I'm just gonna stay.
Remember we went to Pride? I wanted to go to that again.
Yeah.
That was so fun.
Yeah, that was really fun.
And then you remember when you held the snake?
Mm-hmm.
She had this big ass snake. I gotta insert like photo. Edit this. Insert photo, and then I'm gonna post it. I'm gonna put that in the video.
I was supposed to have a snake shoot this weekend, actually.
Oh my! Is it real?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do they have stuffed animal snakes that you guys can use?
No.
And he could just like outline it, bitch. Yes, they could do that.
No.
Yes.
Real deal.
Oh my god. Yeah, we're lit. And I have 2 hours left of my birthday. And then my birthday's over. And then I'm an old geezer. I can't believe I'm 23. Ew. Blech.
Bitch, I'm about to be 24.
23, bitch. I'm a grandma. I mean, you're
so
smacked.
What the fuck am I?
She's smacked.
So what the fuck am I?
You're a MILF. That doesn't count.
You're still calling me old.
No! MILFs are bad,
my
bitch.
eyes look swollen.
She's a MILF.
Yeah.
Period. Purr.
Period.
That's how the Miami bitches be talking. They be like,
Purr.
Purr. Purr. And that's on purr. Oh, bitch! Okay. We're logging out.
No, wait, y'all don't gotta walk out. Y'all got a lighter?
Yeah.
I got a lighter. I just had one.
They just need it for, you know. Who that?
Who you thinking?
Oh, mine just called earlier. Both of them.
Oh,
That ain't live, right?
No.
Stepped
Okay,
out
we'll be
tonight.
Got my baby shit in the trunk.
Like, y'all,
you're back.
Where this come from?
Okay guys, so I'm on my way back home. My birthday is officially over. Well, it's over in 30 minutes, but it's over. Hold on, I'm gonna put my seatbelt on because this ain't about to be over. Okay guys, so yeah, I'm on my way home. Today was a good day. I really had a good day and I'm super happy about how the night ended. And yeah, so I'm gonna go home. Fuck, I gotta put my GPS on, guys. Hold on. Oh yeah, you guys, today was a great night. I'm driving home and it's gonna be really dark and I have to make sure I don't hit any deer. So I'm gonna focus on the road. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys in the next video. Good night.